Let me define what I think the basic principles of science of mind are. I would have to say, first and foremost, our founder, Dr. Ernest Holmes, in the Science of Mind textbook says that it's as simple as this. In Jesus' teaching, it is done unto you as you believe. That's pretty simple. It's pretty basic. In essence, that's our basic teaching, that life is a reflection back to us of what we believe it to be, which is to say the energy that comes from us as our beliefs, as what we've learned, as what we've seen, as what we've felt, the good things that have happened to us and the bad things that have happened to us that left an impression upon us, come out from us. And the people at the HeartMath Institute have found that there's an actual energy field around every human being, and it connects with the energy fields of other human beings in that they vibrate at a certain level of energy. So it's the energy that leaves us and goes out to the rest of the universe, so to speak, or the rest of the human universe at least, and starts attracting back to it what it is. That is, the people, situations, and events that are like that energy. So it is done unto you as you believe is a basic principle. But in our church, how we try to explain it is this way. We have 4 banners that hang in our sanctuary. Now, why is it possible for this energy to work the way it works? Well, it works that way because God is one thing, one energy, one life, one power, one mind, if you will, the science of mind, the science of this one mind, this one divine energy. And because that's an absolute tenet or basic, it's important that people really understand that's not 2 things. There's not good, God that's good, and somehow another sub-God that's evil. God is just one thing. And it's how we use this energy that determines whether it's evil, so-called evil, or so-called good. Those are interpretations by us of events, if that makes sense. So then the second tenet would be life always reflects back to us what we joyously give it and more. And so if we want something different in our life than we're now getting, or if we want more of something, we have to give to life what it is that we want reflected back to us. And it seems paradoxically at first, and yet if you think about it, it's simply found in every religion. As you sow, so shall you reap. Those kinds of ideas. Like attracts like. It is done unto you as you believe. So it is. If people want abundance, they have to give abundance. Emerson said it very well. He said, "If you want a friend, be a friend. If you want greater abundance in your life, be abundant. If you want more love in your life, be more loving." It's that simple. That's how this process seems to work. And then another thing that we say as one of our banners in the sanctuary is that community is opportunity. And it is opportunity. Sometimes people come into the community that they bring their old stuff with them, and so it's an opportunity for them to take a look at their old stuff and let that fall away. But it's an opportunity to grow. It's an opportunity to see what it is you're really believing and thinking, and with the help of others, it's an opportunity to change that. And in a greater sense, it's an opportunity for the whole community to be involved in service and to be involved in making a difference in the whole world. And then then the last one we use is we grow by being an example. And this is sort of like that, if you want a friend, be a friend. What is the example that I am showing others? That should I react and be negative in life, or can I by conscious choice say to myself, okay, I want to be the example of what I would like the world to be like. So we do grow by being an example. And it's well known and documented fact that children grow by the examples they see in their adults. But the truth is we all affect each other by the examples that we give to each other. So those 4 ideas, God is one thing, life will always reflect back to us what we joyously give it and more, and community is opportunity, and we grow by being an example.